Round accumulation table. Automatically sorting into the conveyor belt of the packaging line, saving labor costs. Fully auto servo can sealing machine. The whole machine has a transparent cover, multiple protection, more beautiful and safe. The turntable only runs when there is a can. Speed can be adjusted separately. Servo clamp bottle turning machine. Applicable for tin material, empty can and after fill, with product small weight can or bottle. Can collecting machine. It can accommodate many cans at a time, automatically collecting the cans of the packaging line.